Happy Christmas to you all, Nadolig Llawen. I hope you all have a safe Christmas and that it is a time of rest and of peace. As we gather with friends and families, we do so still in the shadow of the pandemic. But here in Wales, we will once again draw on our deep tradition of working together to get through tough times, to lend a hand to family, friends and neighbours, and to look ahead to better times with hope and with optimism. This Christmas, many people will be working around the clock to keep us safe, from community volunteers to NHS staff and our emergency services. A small army of people have sacrificed their Christmas plans to work in vaccine centres across the country to make sure we all have the protection we need against this awful virus. Their dedication and service means so much to us all. Thank you for everything you do. Diolch yn fawr I chi gyd. I wish you all a happy, restful and peaceful Christmas. Nadolig Llawen I chi gyd.